What if you could move through your day easier just by strengthening your core? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a seated march. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine with your core engaged, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, place your hands to lightly rest behind your head with your elbows wide as you continue lifting your legs from right to left, moving at your own pace, lightly lifting through your lower belly. Feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, gently twist, bringing opposite elbow to knee. Inhale, center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, moving from your waist, working through your obliques. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a toe touch. Inhale at center, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a leg extension, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue with this movement, flowing through your own range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps, while stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation, clasp your hands to the seat of your chair. Extend both legs forward, keeping your spine straight and your core engaged. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, lightly lifting through your lower belly, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Pause with both legs extended, moving into a leg lift variation. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Begin to alternate lifting your legs from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while toning through your lower abs. Adding on, lift one leg up, out to the side and back to center, and repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Feeling this movement, activate your deep core muscles. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, lightly drawing your navel in and up while cinching in all the way around your waist. Slowly and with control, lean back slightly and then use your abs to return to upright. As you continue with this movement, work to keep your back from arching, feeling your spine straight and your navel back, strengthening through the front, back, and sides of core. Pausing, step your feet back to center and maintain your arms. Inhale, re-lengthen your spine. Exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this twisting action to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Interlace your fingers and rotate your palms away. With an inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, adding a lateral stretch. Inhale at the top. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue gently stretching from right to left, keeping the weight even in your hips, lifting up and out of both sides of your waist. Feeling this gentle stretch create more space and ease through your spine and side body. Adding a cat-cow stretch. Inhale, arms reach overhead, lifting through your heart. Exhale, lower your arms halfway, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your neck, arms, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling more energized, refreshed, and ready for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.